Hi everyone, welcome back to my Core Java interview questions playlist. This is the ninth video in our series. So far, we have already covered fundamentals, OOP concepts, exception handling, multi-threading, and more. In today's video, we are diving into Java 8 interview questions. I will walk you through with some key questions and provide crisp and interview ready answers to help you succeed. So generally at the beginning of the interview, you are asked that which version of your Java have you worked with. Once you mention Java 8, the very first question that is usually asked is what are the new features in Java 8? So below are some of the new features in Java 8. Okay. Default methods were added in interface. We can have default methods. We can also have static methods in interface. Then there is for each method which was added in Java 8. Then there is Lambda expressions, Stream API, optional classes, and functional interfaces. The next and important question that can be asked is how does Java 8 resolves diamond problem? So we already know what is diamond problem. So how does Java 8 resolves it? So Java 8 introduced the default methods which allow interfaces to provide method implementations. However, if a class inherit default methods with same signature from multiple interface, it must override the method and explicitly choose which implementation to use or provide a new one. So let us help understand this with the help of example. So if our class is implementing interfaces A and B and both are having same method named as print, then uh, we have to override that print method and we have to specifically give the name of the interface. Then we have to use the super keyword and then use the method name. So this is how we can explicitly choose interface A implementation. Next question that can be asked is what are the functional interfaces in Java 8? So a functional interface is an interface that contains exactly one abstract method. So what is the purpose of it? So they serve as a target type for Lambda expressions and method references, enabling you to treat functionality as a data. So here are some functional interfaces which are listed. First is predicate. So it takes some arguments and return a boolean valued function of one argument, that is either true or false. Second is consumer. It represents an operation that accepts a single input parameter and it does not returns any result. Third is function. It represents a function that accepts one argument and produces a result. Next is supplier. It represents supplier of results. Fifth is unary operator, and then there is binary operator. So next an important question with respect to Java 8 is what is the purpose of optional class in Java 8? So optional class was introduced in Java 8. It is used to make a null check and avoid null pointer exception. This is the most important use case of it. So for example, we are having one string here which is null. Now optional of nullable string value. It sets the value of string, else it sets it as null. Then there is method such as is present. It returns true if there is value, else it returns false. Then there is optional dot get to get the value. It returns the no, it throws no such element exception. So first we can do what we can do is we can do optional dot is present. If it is true, then inside the curly braces we can do optional dot get. Then there is optional dot or else null value. So if the value is null, then it sets the value which we are passing as the argument. Now next question is what is the most important use case of Stream API in Java 8? Which functionality it provides which was not achievable using normal for loop or for each loop. So the most important use case of the Stream API in Java 8 is enabling the declarative functional style processing of collections such as filtering, mapping, sorting, and reducing by chaining the operations in a pipeline. This approach allows you to focus on what you want to achieve rather than how to iterate through the data, leading to more concise, readable, and maintainable code. So it's nothing like that it is doing something which was not achievable using normal for each loop, just that it is enabling the declarative functional style processing. So some key functionalities which are provided by Stream API are pipelining of operations, so operations can be chained. Then there is functional programming which we can achieve using Lambda expressions. Then there is lazy evaluation of the collection until and unless the terminal operation is triggered, the stream is not evaluated. Then there is parallel processing. We know we have parallel streams as well. Then it provides immutability as well. Next question that can be asked is explain the advantages of using lambda expressions. So the advantages of using lambda expression in Java 8 are conciseness and reduced boilerplate code. So lambda expressions allow you to write less code compared to anonymous inner class or separate implementation classes. And it provides improved readability. The code written with the lambdas is often easier to read and understand as it focuses on the code logic rather than the syntax. Then it encourages the functional programming, which we have seen earlier as well. Then it supports parallel and sequential execution as well. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. In upcoming videos, I'll be covering major topics like the Stream API in depth, Java 17 features, and other crucial interview questions. Stay tuned and keep preparing confidently for your interviews. Thank you.